Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to set custom theme in Messenger using your own picture. To do this, first go back from your Messenger and now go to your phone settings. Scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on search bar, search for Messenger, tap on it, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete, go back and scroll up, tap on permissions. Make sure all permission is enabled. Go back. After that, go to your Play Store. Tap on search. Search for Messenger. Tap on it. Update your Messenger. If it's available, tap on open it and go to chat. Now tap on here and after that tap on I button, tap on customize. After that tap on upload an image and now choose your picture. Tap on save. Tap on select. And that's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.